What's up, girl? It's your girl, KMarie. Now back with another YouTube video. If you guys are new, welcome to the KMarie YouTube channel. If you guys are returning subscribers, welcome back to the KMarie YouTube channel. And today, I got my gown on, y'all. And y'all see these motherfucking titties hanging to the motherfucking lap. I said about to say floor. But y'all see these breasts, these titties, whatever that whoop the whoop is hanging on my lap today because I don't have a bra on. So, but do my titties hang low? Do they wobble to the floor? Can I tie them in the hey? 34 J's and 34 K's. That's something serious. But oh, y'all like my little nails, period. But I gotta get shit done, y'all. I gotta get my oil change done again, all types of shit. Every time I look around, it's all I gotta pay some. All motherfucking way. Shake them titties and roll with it. Now shake them titties and roll with it. But I hope you guys are being blessed wherever y'all located at. I hope you guys being blessed, being safe, being careful. And surround yourself around positivity people at all times. At all times. I'm like, where the hell my phone went? Also, y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned for some Q&A videos because Also, stay tuned for some Q&A videos. Stay tuned for some milk videos. Stay tuned for some water challenge videos. Outfit try-on videos. Bride try-on videos. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. What she said. What she said. Because I know y'all have answers. Y'all just be answering me all types of questions in my little DMs and stuff. And I'm like, I'm definitely going to have to do another Q&A. Definitely. Well, ooh, gotta grab me some water. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can feel that cold water going in my body. I gotta brush my teeth tonight. Let me tell you, I had a headache so bad. I'm like, it's not a sleeping headache because I tried to go to sleep, right? All day long. And then just woke up every time with a headache. So I'm like, it must be because I'm hungry. Because I ate one time today. And this is my second time eating right now. So I went to Taco Bell. Got me a couple tacos and got me a big old cup of ice water. And my headache already went down. And because I was hungry. That's why. So. Now, let me tell you what I want for Christmas, y'all. I want me a Apple tablet. I want an Apple tablet because I got an Apple phone, which that's what I'm on right now. I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I'm like, I got an iPhone. Might as well get me an Apple tablet. You know what I'm saying? So, damn, I feel like I'm about to fall asleep, y'all. I don't want to fall asleep. Because I know y'all love to see me. I don't want to fall asleep. But my body telling me I need to get some rest. Get some rest. What is the song saying? Get some rest. Get some rest. Before I pass out. Oh my God, that food was so good. Let me see what's in this bag. I got the little cheese sauce. I'm like, hold up, wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't even know how long this video gonna be, y'all. I don't even know. I'm trying my best to make 10-minute videos. That's what I'm doing. Or 10 minutes or 15 minutes or whatever. Because I remember once I first started my YouTube channel, I used to make like 3 and 4 minute videos. And then when I started being consistent with my YouTube channel, I was like, you know what? I need to start making videos at least 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So I'll be trying. I be trying, y'all. This the sauce, y'all see? It's okay. It tastes okay. They should have added more seasoning on it, though. Listen. I got 8, 9. Ooh. Do my titties hang low? Do they wobble to the floor? What that song say? Can I time in the knot? Can I time in the bow? Listen, that'd be crazy. That'd be a crazy video. Me actually trying to tie my titties in a bow. What? That video will go viral. So Tuesday night, I am making some nachos, guys. I got the sauce already. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna make the nachos tomorrow, which is I'm gonna make it Monday night because tomorrow is Monday. So today is Sunday. So Monday night I'm gonna make the nachos. I need to get me some lettuce to go with it because nacho always tastes good with the lettuce too. Because when I make my nachos, I cook the meat first, hamburger meat first, crunch it up. Then I add the lettuce and tomatoes and cheese on top of it. And then I put the chips and all that together. The chips and the lettuce and the tomatoes go on top of the meat. Now crunch everything up together and make a nacho bowl. Ooh. Y'all, I woke up. Let me tell you, I was tossing and turning all night long. Ooh, my back itching. I was tossing and turning all night long, y'all. I was like, damn, I can't even fucking go to sleep like I want to. I'm just tossing and turning, tossing and turning. What? Oh, it's about that time for me to go. Bow, bow, bow. It's about that time for me to go. I love you guys so much. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Mwah. Ooh, that just so no good. Bye, y'all.